Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today, I'm taking you through Dollar Tree glassware. These are 10 easy hacks. If you didn't think there were any creative ideas that anybody could do, think again.
Dollar Tree vases in our lives since 2005. Even without a crafty DIY bone in your body, you can still do these DIYs and everything I'm actually using around my house. I want your jaw to be on the floor, and we're going to start with some solar stake lights. They have these at every single Dollar Tree, and I'm sure you know by now that these really easily come apart. And I'm going to hold your hand through all of this so you feel so capable. Just take off the top of the stake light and pull out the little tag and set this inside some of the mini jars. Dollar Tree carries these planter hangers too. I was blown away. This is an incredible score at $1.25. You can also find moss at the Dollar Tree and these mason jar covers. They come with a hanger, are just $1.25. They are $6 at the craft store. Grab a mason jar, maybe you have one at home, you can find these at Dollar Tree, and put a beautiful little fairyland inside. Get some Dollar Tree super glue, and this time when you take apart the stake light, add it to the rim. Set this over the star on top, and now it lights up the inside. You could put a beach theme in here, a fairy theme, whatever you want, and add it right to the hanger. Wow, have I gotten so many compliments on this on our front porch. These glow so beautifully at night, and I found with enough super glue, they are waterproof. The goal of this video is to inspire you to think outside the box because everything I'm showing you, while it is fun, is also practical. And I'm going to show you all the reasons why. Y'all, I was so excited about this next one. I want you to grab some of these candlesticks. These are new and a little bit stubby. And you can also get some sand as well as some Dollar Tree bowls and clear plates. Now for the bowls, I want you to fill it with a little bit of sand and add some rocks. I decided to go with this beautiful turquoise because we are going to make a beach theme. To me, this was evocative of an ocean crashing up against the shore. I added some shells too. And my favorite thing is this Dollar Tree sand reminds me a lot of the Siesta Key sand in Florida. Add the big plate over top. And now you're going to take the Dollar Tree adhesive. This is the super glue that mimics E6000, and I think it works just as well. Take that stubby little candlestick and add it to the large plate. The salad plate you'll glue to the top. I do not adhere the bottom plate to the bowl because I want to be able to change out the scene. This one is super beachy and it is such a wow in person, a definite conversation starter. And this is so versatile. I love using this as a cupcake stand too. Here I just added some Dollar Tree greenery to the inside. They're food safe, so the options are endless. Perfect for a party. And speaking of parties, Carson turned 10. Can y'all believe that? He's totally my behind the scenes guy in videos, and he wanted to share this next idea with you. It's 100% his.
So I got this shell from when we went on our trip to Oak Island. And I took some moss and I put it into the shell. And then I took this fake plant and also stuck it into the moss from Dollar Tree.
I told Carson a boutique store would charge like $12 for this. We have so many more DIYs coming, but some practical ones. Take some coffee beans into Dollar Tree glassware, add a candle to the inside. The throw on this is incredible. This is an awesome quick hack for your home. And think outside of the box and use these items in your kitchen. All of these containers are from Dollar Tree. Just know when you're in Dollar Tree, so many of these things are similar to places like Pottery Barn. All of the black plates and serveware are so gorgeous. And the glassware, as in actual glasses, are beveled and textured, and I absolutely love them. And here's a really quick hack. If you take some baking soda and you add it to paint that you already have, a few tablespoons will do, give it a quick mix, you can paint over Dollar Tree glassware. It's gonna give it a really beachy vibe, some texture, and make everything look cohesive. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree, including these Irish coffee mugs. I use these every season, and I just take some little S-hooks to hang these off of the ledge. And of course, everything comes in mini too. They have tiny Irish coffee mugs with lids on them. The ones with holes in the lids are perfect to add some scent beads to, and then you can stick this around your house for a fresh odor, maybe inside of a trash can. I also really like to use these in the kitchen for my spices. It fits a McCormick bottle absolutely perfectly. But the deal of the century right now, they finally brought these back, are these lidded containers that are amazing for overnight oats, and I also love them for parfaits. I love that they're food safe, they're glass, and they're really easy to store in my fridge. I actually want to know in the comments what you would use these for because I'm really open to creative ideas. I bought 6 of them. And speaking of the kitchen, I found recently these LED light bottle stoppers. This is the most talked about item from a recent video, and these go really well into your Dollar Tree glass bottles. And I've been using it for a few weeks, and the batteries last a long time. This is so beautiful in my kitchen. And more glassware, we're moving over to the bathroom. Another favorite is using Listerine in some of these decanters. This is a whiskey decanter, and the glasses too are also from Dollar Tree. This looks so high end. I also really like the cylinder vases. I'm about to show you how versatile these are. Your jaw's gonna be on the floor, okay? You can put your soap in these, your bath bombs in these, and they look so nice. Those are the tried and trues, and here are some new ones. You can grab this little trivet and Dollar Tree floating candles. I just want to show you how much money you can save. Tall vases are like $15 a piece at other stores, and we're going to DIY this if you have any event coming up. I just want you to think in the back of your head how you could make this custom for you. Take some flowers, put inside in a color scheme that you love. You could go neutrals, you could go bright, and then you're going to flip the vase upside down and add some super glue to this. Then you're going to put the other vase on top filled with flowers. It gives the illusion that it's really tall. Put it on the trivet, add some moss to the bottom, and I added some little fairy elements because that's what it was giving. It's hard to read it on camera, but man, in real life, this one is so stately. The floating candles are awesome. These are like $8 or $9 from the thrift store, and it stands 15 inches tall. I would love to hear in the comments down below where you would put this in your house, what event you would use this for. Carson said this was his favorite one of the video. These next ideas are going to save you so much money. The Dollar Tree sells charger plates with this little fluted edge, and I love them. You can get 32 doilies for $1.25. And when you spread all of these out in different shapes and sizes on your table, it creates a beautiful, elegant runner. You can also take those same hurricane vases and trace a circle, and you can make little skirts for these. I think this is so adorable and one of those DIYs that anybody can do. Put this over the vase and just fold over and pleat the edges. And then I tied around some burlap twine. This was new this year. Baby's breath is one of my favorite, most affordable flowers, and they last a really long time. And this looks so elegant together on a tablescape. The charger plates also look really great with the Dollar Tree plates. And I took some of these gray vases, added some sand and a little candle inside. You really can create an elevated look. You can take these small glass containers and use them to stack and create vases at varying heights. Check out how beautiful this is, and I spent just 10 bucks. This is giving tea party, wedding, graduation, Mother's Day, and you'll see the little cupcake stand in there too. You can also take Dollar Tree succulents and put them in the mini glass bowls with a little bit of rocks and add some water. Now here I have my standard runner that I always use and some fresh eucalyptus, and you can see this is a beautiful alternative that looks equally beautiful at night. And yes, all of the cups are from the Dollar Tree too. They are really expanding their candles right now, so check back for that. And I put candles inside hurricane vases. And a super secret trick is to get Dollar Tree splatter guards. Take out the inside, be sure to wear gloves, and give them a quick coat of spray paint. You can also get little wood bases from the Dollar Tree, and you can create your own centerpiece. I took some eucalyptus and some roses. All of these flowers were $1.25, as well as some wire. Basically, if you're seeing the product in this video, you can find it at Dollar Tree. I took that sand hurricane vase and the little battery-operated tea lights. This is an alternate, elegant look.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up or your ideas in the comments down below. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.